Hi guys. In today's video, I am showing you how to change language on Capcut. The process is straightforward and effortless, and for this we have two methods. The first method is if you open a project and want to change the language of Capcut, then how can you change language in Open Project? This process is really simple. Take a look on the left top. You will see the icon media, audio, text, and from above, you can see one more option, and the name of the option is Menu. Tap on the option menu, and from here, tap on this option settings, and you can see pop-up. And in this pop-up, here are four options: Project, Edit, Performance, and Language. Tap on the last option, Language, and hear all the available language of Capcut from here. You have to choose your language, but there are not much languages, because for now Capcut allow only few languages. So find your language and tap on that language. And after tapping, tap on the option Save, and you can see Capcut is saying, to change language you need to restart the Capcut. So tap on the option Restart. Then the language on Capcut will be changed. And the second way is how can you change language without opening a project? Tap on this cross icon, which is on the right top. And from here tap on the option setting, which is on the top right. And tap on the first option settings. Again, you can see a little pop-up. This pop-up is same as the last one, so tap on the option Language, and from here select your language. After selecting, tap on the option Save. And again, tap on the option Restart. Then the language will be changed on Capcut, and it was the fundamental way by which you can change language on Capcut.